So we're here at the landscape remodel here in Westminster, Colorado, and we're pouring a little concrete this morning for a decorative stamped and colored concrete patio and walkway. So this morning we got our concrete here and wanted to just walk you through some of the work that we're doing. So this is our little meandering sidewalk here, and we go up to our patio, our garden level patio here. So the guys are just pouring the concrete for the upper step here, the landing out the patio door. We've got a kind of a nice sandstone, earth tone, brown, kind of a light brown, light tan color going on. So just wanted to walk you through that. And these guys are getting ready to set this up here.